Day 95, Numbers 4, 2 Peter 2, Psalm 85. In Numbers 4, we see the sacred burden of carrying God's presence. The Kohathites, descendants of Levi, are chosen to transport the Ark of the Covenant and the most holy items, but they can't even touch them. Aaron and his sons must first wrap each item in sacred coverings. Why? Because holy things are never casual. These men carried more than objects. They carried the presence, the weight of worship, the mystery of God's nearness. It was heavy, not just physically, but spiritually. In 2 Peter 2, the tone shifts. We're warned about false teachers who secretly introduce destructive heresies. They're not carrying truth, they're manipulating it. Their path ends in ruin, but the faithful are preserved. Psalm 85 pleads, "Show us your unfailing love, Lord, and grant us your salvation." It's the prayer of those who still carry the weight of hope, even when the journey feels long. Today, are you carrying God's presence with reverence, or has it become routine? Say amen if you want to carry your calling well. Like, share, and comment, and watch the Psalm 85 video to be refreshed.